In this video, I will show you how to calculate the percentage. If you have a number and a part of that number, and then how to calculate the percentage and what percent of that number will be. So percentage is, the percent means always out of 100. Okay, so let's if you have the cost price, suppose if you have a cost that's 200, let's take it just a minute, and you need to calculate what percent of 200 is 15. The simplest way, just divide it by this 15 by 200 and multiply by 100. That will give you 7 and write the percentage sign, 7.5%. So you need to divide the number by the total number, and I can say the number divided by total number. It's total number and multiplied by 100% to get the percentage. So let us take how to apply this one. Suppose the total number, suppose you got 80 points out of 100. Now you need to calculate the percentage, how much percent you get. So it's just the number, your number is one, the 80, and the total number is 80 divided by 100 and multiplied by 100%, and this will give you, if you divide it by 100 goes away, just 80%. Let's take another example. If you have 120 points out of 150, so use the same formula here, 120 divided by 150 to calculate the percent and into 100%. So this will give you, let me 0 goes away, 1200 divided by 15. Now you need to use calculator, or if you can divide if you can do in your mind, then that's fine, but here I'm going to use calculator, divided by 15, and this gives you, oh, I forgot the percentage sign. You can write in this form, in the fraction form, it's fine. These are the equivalent, or you can just calculate the percentage. So if you have, that means if you have a number and the total, then you need to divide it by number or that fraction by, or this is, or by total number and multiplied by 100%. to get the percent. So next I will show you how to convert any fraction to percent. So if you have a fraction 2 by 5, then just multiply this by 100% to convert this into percentage. So this becomes your 40%. Okay, similarly let's 3 by 5, then you need to just multiply it by this 100%. This becomes 60%. Let's take an example. 1 by 20 is the fraction, then you need to multiply this by 100%, will give you a 0.5, no, it's 5%. 5%. So you need to just multiply it by 100% to the fraction in order to convert fraction to percentage. So now I will show you how to convert decimal to percent. So it's time to decimal to percent. If you have a decimal like 0.2, okay, just multiply by this 100%. This will change you into the percent. This is the 20%. If you have decimal like 0.41, this multiply this decimal by 100%, this will give you 41%. Yeah, this can be applied anyone. So if you have in decimal 1.5, then you need to multiply it by 100%. This will give you 150%. Oh, just an example, but 150% is more than 50% more than the actual number. So you can say that. Suppose you have 0.06 only, this 0.6, then you need to multiply again this by 100% in order to get this in the percentage. This is 6%. Yeah. Okay. Well, that's all about this is the way to get decimal to percent. This one is the way to get fraction to percentage, and this formula or a sort of formula you can remember. This is the way to convert any number into the percent number if you have total number and fraction of that number.